we've come to guide you on your path to be Metrocity's new hero and battle the super genius of Megamind. I know this is a lot to take in. It may take months for you to come to grips.
No freaking way!
I wasn't finished.
I'm gonna be a hero! I'm gonna be a hero!
See, Minion? He's perfect. And action!
Someone help me!
I'm okay!
The flames of my evil burn bright.
Now you say something cool back in me.
Look, it doesn't even hurt. Don't even feel it.
No. Stomach down, hands up. Like Metro Man. Watch out.
He's hopeless.
Hopeless! Maybe we should change tactics.
You think so?
Oh, you know how boys are. They love video games. I could throw a few parts
Can't.
together.
Wait. LOL. Smiley face.
Can't wait for what, sir?
Oh, that was such a funny story. And brilliantly told, by the way. Okay, now you tell one.
Bernard, I never knew you were so funny.
And I never heard you laugh before.
Yeah, it's been a while. Feels pretty good.
And action.
You don't get out much, do you?
Fun!
I used to come here with my mother when I was a kid. It was one of my favorite things to do. Now look at it. It's a dump.
Why are we cleaning up the city, sir?
Well, we don't want to battle our new hero in a dump now, do we?
They're all back. How? Why?
Maybe Megamind isn't so bad after all. That's it! Be free, my beautiful dove!